Hi, my name is YEMELI Rodolphe CHARLY. I am an MCSA and MCT. I will teach you today how to download and install Power BI Desktop. First of all, you need to have Windows 10 or Windows 11 installed in your PC. Your PC needs to be connected on internet. We have three ways to get Power BI Desktop. The first way is through Power BI site. The second way is through Microsoft Store. And the last way is through official Microsoft Download Center. What is very important is both two first way will bring you on Microsoft Store installation process. Every installation through Microsoft Store will automatically take the Windows system language by default. Every installation through official Microsoft Download Center will allow you to choose the installation language before proceeding. Let's start our demo. We are here in Power BI site. You can see the link here, powerbi.microsoft.com. You want to download Power BI Desktop, you click here on Product, you see Product, and you come here to Power BI Desktop, you click on it, and you will see Download Free. You click on Download Free, and you will see the pop-up that will ask you to open Microsoft Store. You click on Open, and here you will see Power BI Desktop here, and you will see Install. This button allow you to install Power BI Desktop on your PC. And if you click here, it will automatically download and install your Power BI Desktop on your PC. So the second way to install Power BI is through your Power BI subscription. When you are in your Power BI subscription, you can come here to download. You click on download. You will see Power BI Desktop. You click on Power BI Desktop. The same pop-up will display. You click on open, and it will launch Microsoft Store. Once Microsoft Store, you will see the same button we saw previously, and you can click on install, and it will install. Another way to install is, for example, if I close this, I open Microsoft Store here. Here, I can open Microsoft Store here. You come here and you type Power BI Desktop here. When you click Power BI Desktop, you type Power BI Desktop on search bar here, you will see the same button to install Power BI. And if I click, it will download automatically and install Power BI. And another way, the last way, is to come to this link. When you come to this link, you are on Microsoft Download Center. You need just to choose your language version of Power BI here. For example, here I will take English version by default. I click on download. You will see you have the possibility to choose the 64 byte or the 32 byte. You choose, I will choose 64 byte because of my PC is 64 byte, and you click to next, and it will start download your setup here. I will not download it because I already have it in my PC. This is my setup already downloaded. I will double click on it. Once I double click on it, it will launch the setup, and you have the possibility to choose the language you want to install, the language version you want to install in your PC. You can click to next, and you have a security pop-up. You choose yes, and you can choose next. You can accept the term of the license agreement and you click to next. You can just leave like this by default and you click to next and you click to install. The installation process is going on. It's just to wait till it will complete. Now the installation is completed. So you click on finish and you can now access your Power BI by clicking on Windows here. You can click on Windows, you can see the Power BI desktop is already installed in your PC. You can also click on search bar and type Power BI and you will see Power BI here and you can launch it. And here is it. You can see Power BI desktop already installed in your PC. You can just close this one and you have your Power BI here. You can fill this form or if you don't want to fill it, you can just close it or you can click maybe later. It will close automatically your Power BI desktop. Here is your Power BI desktop. You can now start working with your Power BI desktop. Here you can come here and you can, if you have a subscription, a Power BI subscription, you can put your professional email address here and you will connect to your Power BI subscription. And we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.